fate of your destruction is already decided. May you fall to ruin, just like vile Gomorrah and sinful Sodom.